Hey, welcome. In this video, I will share with you the ChatGPT for video editing. Now, here is the thing. I have this friend that is interested in content creation, but the problem is he doesn't know how to edit. He's new to all of this content creating stuff. And if I'm to recommend the software I use for my own editing, it is kind of sophisticated, it is bulky, not newbie friendly. So I've decided to share this particular platform with him. Now, this is an AI video editing platform. Now, not just video editing, you can use for video editing and video generation. And this platform is amazing, guys. You can actually use it to erase anything, images. Let me show you some stuff before I actually show you how to do it. So you can decide to use it to erase objects, anything from a video. Can you see, guys? You can as well do slow-mo video. You can slow-mo your video. You can as well make images, static images. You can background. This is the most interesting part. You can remove any background. You can also change your background to a green screen. See, you can use it to clean your audio as well. So if you have some unwanted background noise, you can use it to just remove the background noise from your audio. You can as well use it to remove some silence. There is something called audio silence removing. You can as well use it for that. So let's just get started already. Let me show you what you can do. Welcome back. Now all you need to do is go to adelikesami.com/run. Then you will be redirected to this page. So go there and click on this sign up. It is free on the top right corner of your screen. So click on it and just register. And once you register, you'll be able to access the platform. So here is the platform. So let me just walk you through the interface. Now look at this is the AI magic tools that we'll be using. All of the tools is actually embedded in this particular menu. Now, AI train, as I've said, you can as well train your face. Like you train your face so that you can use your face to create videos without you using a camera. This is also possible, even though we'll not be covering this. And let me say this, guys, this is just a foundation to this particular platform. I'll be creating more and more use cases, mind-blowing applications of this particular platform. So just hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so now this is where you access all of your project files. If you have been working on any project, you can access them here. Now let's just get started already. So let's click on create new project. Now here is the thing. You will see these three tools, these three AI are actually embedded into the video editing software, and some of this stuff are also embedded into the video editing software. So all you need to do is click on video. Now once you click on video composition, so let's assume you want to use your own videos, you just need to click on this upload button. Can you see it? Click on upload and you'll be able to upload any image, any video, and even audio from your computer. So you can do that, but I've already uploaded mine. And again, there are demo assets that you can access. So assets are your images, your audio, whatever you have uploaded. It could be templates as well. So everything is right here under this asset and text. So I will explain some of these things later on. Now once you have your assets uploaded, what you need to do is click on the video and drag it down to this timeline. So if you are not new to video editing, this is what we call timeline, right? So this is your asset. Now you can see it is displaying on our canvas. So your canvas is where you see whatever thing you are doing. Okay, so let me show you something before I continue. So you can decide to also change the format, the size format of your video. So let's assume you want to change this particular video to reels. Can you see it has automatically changed it to reels? I just thought I would share that with you. So let me go back to the previous mode. Now once you have done that, you can now right click. So let me share some things with you. So I just right clicked. Now you can decide to hide this clip let's assume you have multiple clips on your timeline. You can decide to hide some, show some, log some, depending on what you are doing. And now this is what we call split head. So let's assume I want to move this thing called play head, play head. So you can decide to split. When you say split at play head, it means it will split from here. Do you get it now? So this particular red line is what we call the play head. You can as well duplicate your video or whatever asset you have on your timeline. You can animate, you can do some of this stuff. Okay, so let's just get right into it already. Now, for example, one of the things I do before I even start editing at all is I detach my audio from my video. Okay, now the first thing I will share with you is how you can remove. So for example, you were shooting a video and someone suddenly bumped into your video and you just want to remove the object or the person. It could be a person or an object, an animal or something. So let me just show you. Okay, now before I do that, let me just split the video. So what I would do is I'll right click and I'll click split at play head. You can also do the same thing for your audio. Do you get it now? So I've splitted it. So let me show you what I want to show you now. So let's remove. Now if you look very close, you'll see there are some ladies. Can you see there are some ladies at the background? So I'll try to remove them. So how do you do that? Click on the video, then come to this in painting. Click on in paint. Okay, so once you are done doing for the first object, you wait for it to load. Then can you see now? Let me try for the other object. Guys, this is just one out of many use cases. Can you see they are gone? Then you can now click on done in painting. I've just removed those two ladies. So let's see. Can you see that they are not there anymore? So let me play the video so you see.
Listen, I've got a skill that can be a game changer for you return to.
Guys, this is just insane. Okay, so now that I've shared with you how you can remove any object, so let me share with you how you can add a text. So we just click on this text. Now, what do I want to add? Okay, let me play and see.
If you're an affiliate marketer, this skill.
Okay, so let me just add affiliate marketer. So let me just show something here. So I'll just say affiliate marketer. Can you see? But now the thing is, the text is white and the background is also white. So what can we do? So you can as well format your text here. All you need to do is, now I'll just click on this color. So I'll change the color to, let's say, red. Can you see now that it's different? And the background, you can as well add a background if you want to add, but I won't be adding. You can as well add a stroke. So can you see it stands out now with the stroke? Do you get it now? Okay, you can decide to play around. So let me make this thick. Do you see it? You can add shadows if you want to add. So I can decide to remove this, remove the stroke and just leave the shadow, or just remove the shadow as well and leave stroke. I think the stroke is okay. So I'm not really editing this video. I just want to show some things you can do. Now that is not all. So there are also some cool stuff you can actually do here. You can decide to add motion effect. So let's add fade, or you can see typewriter, so it will show as if it is typing. So let's see. Can you see? Can you see? So we can as well use different types of, just play around with the motion effects that you have here. So let me see this fade. So it will fade in. Can you see? Fade in. So let me come back to the timeline. Now look at the affiliate marketer text element. So you can decide to elongate it or reduce it. So wherever you elongate it to, the extent is where it will display to. Do you get it now? So you need to understand that. Okay guys, so let me share with you another amazing thing you can do with Runway ML. Now I want to make sure the text, the affiliate marketer, and my face, the way I'm moving my face, I want it to move at the same pace. So you need to track the object first, which is me that I'm talking. So let me just show you. Let me show you so you understand what I'm saying. So just click on the video and then click on motion tracking. Now, because I want it to move with the pace of my head, so what I'll do is I'll click this area, my high area, right? Okay, now if you have done that, then you click on done tracking. Okay, now that we have done that, also come to the text. Now here is the thing, you can either use a text, you can use an image, you can use any other object. It could even be a video. So I'll just use this affiliate marketer text. Now click on the object. Now go to this link to under this tracking section and click on what you already tracked. Do you get it now? So let's see how this will display. Can you see? So what I will do is, you can see it is covering my face, right? Then I will just try moving it apart. Okay, now I will play the video and you see what I'm trying to explain here. Do you see it now? So the way my head is moving the object, so that's what that particular feature does, which is motion tracking. So you can use it for different things. Now let me now share with you one of the most amazing things you can actually do with Runway ML, which is removing your video background. So let me just move to another section. So here is the thing, if the timeline is too long, you can decide to contract it. So just click on this particular place. Okay, so let me move away from this background. Let's move to another background. Okay, so let's assume I want to remove or change this background. So I will just split. So you can also use some keyboard shortcuts. I'm used to using S for splitting, but I think that's not what it does here. So just click on this, right click, and click on split at play head. You can also do for audio, because don't forget, when you are editing, you are like editing both audio and video. You get it now? So for the audio as well, you can just click on this split here. It's even here, so just click on split. So let's remove this background. Let's remove this background. Okay, so I'll click on the video, then I'll click on green screen. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to try to paint the object, so the object will remain while every other thing will be removed. So I think this process is called masking. Okay, so can you see? So this is like the opposite of the first one that we did, which was in painting. So in painting, we'll remove an object from a background, while green screen will remove the background and leave the object. I hope you understand. Okay, so once you are done masking, then you click on done masking. So guys, one more thing. If you are trying to use some of this effect, make sure you try splitting. Okay, if you are not using the effect for all the video, try to split from where to where you want the effect to show. So you can as well use this feather. Now you see there are some white edges, right? So you can decide to use this feather to reduce those white edges. Can you see that it is reducing? Can you see? So this can be perfect, right? So you can decide to upload a video background and image background, but I already have what I want to use. So what I'll do is I'll just use this particular background. So don't forget, if you want to bring anything to your timeline, you drag and drop. So I'll just drag it. So you can see the image is actually above our video. So what you want to do is just come to the canvas and right click and click on send to back, and my video is up again. So now another thing you can do is you can decide to elongate the new background. Can you see? So I've just changed my background. Can you see, guys? Is this not amazing? From here, or from this to my new background. So guys, this is just amazing. Funny enough, this is what I'll be using if I want to do some small or very fast editing. I think I'll just use okay guys, so let me share with you some other cool stuff you can as well do. So probably you want to stress a particular thing you are talking about in your video. You can use this solid, so you can just display or write or type whatever thing you want to type here. That is what. So solid are just like solid color. You can decide to use different colors. You get it now? So they are just like rectangles, so you can decide to use any color. Okay, that is that about that. Now there are also templates, so I think I should talk about that. There are also templates that you can use. So I will not be going deep into this, but you can just play around with it. So you can, let's assume you just want to use slideshow video. Maybe you don't want to even use your own video, or you want to use the audio of your video. You can just import and use some of this slideshow. So I will click on slideshow here. So you can use some of this slideshow template. So there are different openers are like intro. So let's assume you want to create intro for your video. You can as well do that. Product demo. This is motion. Like there are so many templates here that you can play around with. And as I've said, this is just like the first video. This is more like a series, so I'll be creating more video on how you can use Runway ML. Okay guys, so once you are done with all of these things, and before I continue, if you love this video or if you are enjoying it, please like this video so that you can share it to more people. So I will share with you how you can also automatically generate caption with Runway ML. So if you are done, you can now click on this export and just click on export video. You can rename it if you want to rename. So let me just say demo video, and you can export. But here is the thing: there is the free version and there is the premium version. In the free version, the resolution is 720. As you can see, the format is only MP4, which is cool. But if you want more stuff, you can click on this upgrade. So let me just, now this is not a sponsored video, this is not a paid video. I'm just doing this to share with you. So these are the difference of the packages, which is very good. Trust me, very good. If you are using it for every other stuff that I'll be sharing with you. So can you see, you can use it for, now for the free plan you have 125 credits. You can't buy more credit on the free plan, so you need to upgrade. And you can only have just 3 video projects on the free. But here is the thing, there is an hack. You can always delete a project that you have done, so you have more videos to create. Well, I'm not the one telling you how to cheat. Okay, so I just thought I'd share that. So guys, you can just go through this. If you love it, you can keep using it. Okay, so once you export and you have your video, now as I've said, this particular tool does not really rely on your PC or your laptop or your MacBook Pro specification. It is more of your internet. So if your internet is strong enough, you enjoy it. So even if your laptop is not that, you understand, that big, you can still use this particular platform. So guys, look at, as I've said, this is just a tiny part of what you can do. So let me just recap. You can remove background, clean audio. I've shared some of these things. Now add green background is this. If you're a professional and you just want to remove your background on Runway ML, you can do that. Then you do whatever thing you want to do with it in your own video editing software. Well, that's too much stress, but that's just the difference between the remove background and also I've shared this motion tracking. So here is the thing: if you do not want to edit the whole video, maybe you just need a particular feature, like okay, you want to remove background, just want to do motion tracking, then this is perfect. So just come and select one of them and you are good to go. Just select one and use it. So you can also generate videos with video. Don't worry, I'll talk more about this. You can also train your own generator. I talked briefly about this. You can also expand, guys. This is just amazing. But I'll be sharing. I'll create this video. I'll create more video in this series. Image to image, text to image, frame interpolation. This is actually very cool. This is how you can turn a static video image to a moving video. So you can as well blur your face, you can also blur the background of your video. Okay, now this is another cool thing. You can also remove silence in your video or from your video. And one more thing, yeah, this is what I was looking for. So for the subtitle of the thing, you can decide to just upload any video and generate the subtitle, or just select one of the videos from your from your project library. So I'll just drag this and drop it here, and yeah, that is it. So the language is English, so you can see you can actually generate subtitles for multiple or different languages. So I'll just click on generate. Let's see. Guys, if you are getting value from this video, like this video, drop a comment, share, hit the subscribe button. Guys, can you see? Look at it, has generated the subtitle for us. But here is the thing: listen to the audio, pay attention. There might be some mistakes like this. Okay, let me play so you see. Now it is not 2020, it is 2023. So you can just listen and update that. Can you see? So, but it has done most of the work. You can as well decide to format your subtitles. Can you see? So you can decide to format it and just play around with the whole formatting, and you will be good to go. Okay, guys. So just before you go, in case you are camera shy and you're looking for an AI tool that you can use to just generate video from text, I would advise you check out this particular video. So it will help you generate the object and the person and the audio. So everything will be generated by AI. So just go to adelikesimon.com/VAI or click on the video you're currently seeing on your left. And also, if you are new to ChatGPT, the AI world, I would advise you also check out this playlist. This is a playlist that I'm constantly updating, and it is everything AI and how you can apply AI in your daily life to be more productive, to make money, to save costs, to save time. Just go to adelikesimon.com/GPT. Okay, guys, so that will be all for now, and I will see you in my next video.